Cookery 10, Quarter 4, Lesson 4, Topic 1, Types of Marinades, 2, Effects of Heat to Meat. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to acquire the following. Identify and describe the different types of marinades and know the effects of heat to meat. Let's recall. Are you ready? 1. TLE refers to the courses after the gross piece. Answer 1. Entree. 2. W and D. When pressed with a finger, the meat feels hard and rough. Answer 2. Well done. 3. Chilled meat that is placed in C slightly cold. Answer 3. Chiller. 4. Meat consists of water, pea, and fat. Answer 4. Protein. 5. Pea meat preserved by chemical process. Answer 5. Processed. Thank you, learners, for your active participation. Now let us proceed to our proper lesson. Topic 1. Types of marinades. Good marinades will add flavor to your favorite meat and make it more tender and juicy. The 3 basic components of marinades: acid, herbs, and spices, and oil. Number 1. Sample acid: lemon, vinegar, yogurt, and wine. The acid important as it breaks down the meat and tenderizes it. Number 2. Oil. This protects and preserves the food while marinated and also when it's being cooked. Number 3. Herbs and spices. This is what gives a marinade its unique flavor and zest. Here are some general guidelines for marinating. 1. Meat and poultry are generally marinated for 2 hours up to 2 days. 2. Seafood and fish should be marinated for no longer than 1 hour. 3. Use a non-reactive container. Because acidic ingredients can react with certain metals. This reaction can cause 1. The metal to leach into the food. 2. Giving it a metallic taste. 3. Even changing its color. Non-reactive materials: glass, stainless steel, food-grade plastic. Keeping the marinade and food safe and flavorful. 4. Wait for your marinade to cool down before pouring over the meat of your choice. 5. Always refrigerate your meat while it's marinating. 6. Never use marinades. Why? 1. Cross-contamination risk. 2. Loss of flavor. If you want to reuse a marinade, make sure to boil it first to kill any bacteria. Only use it for basting or as a sauce for cooked food, not for marinating raw items again. Types of marinades. 1. Pineapple marinade. This sweet fruity marinade works great on any cut of pork or chicken. What you get with this marinade is a great Hawaiian teriyaki flavor. Try this marinade when you are simply placing cut strips of pork or chicken over rice. You can make extra marinade to use as a sauce as long as you keep it separate from the meat. 2. Pork chop marinade. This is a great Asian-style marinade that works well on all cut of pork. If you like, heat this up with some extra chili sauce or perhaps a pinch of cayenne. 3. Jamaican jerk marinade. You can use this marinade on all kinds of meat and poultry. 4. Pork rib marinade. It uses a pork rub for the seasoning with vinegar and water to turn it into a marinade. 5. Teriyaki marinade. This marinade works particularly well with pork and poultry. 6. Mustard vinegar marinade. This is a simple mustard marinade that tenderizes and adds flavor. It works well on pork or poultry. Topic 2. Effects of heat to meat. 1. It tenderizes connective tissue if moisture is present and cooking is slow. 2. It coagulates protein. Even meats low in connective tissue can be tough and dry if cooked at excessively high heats for too long. 3. High heat toughens and shrinks protein and results in excessive moisture loss. 4. Roasts cooked at low temperature shrink less and lose less moisture. 5. Moist heat penetrates meat quickly. To avoid overcooking, meat should be simmered, never boiled. Here ends our lesson for today. Thank you very much for listening. Game quiz, fill in the blank. Are you ready? 1. Meat and poultry are generally marinated for blank hours up to 2 days. Answer 1. Number 2. PNC marinade. This is a great Asian-style marinade that works well on all cuts of pork. Answer pork chop. The 3 basic components of marinades are olive and herbs. Answer 3. Acid. High H toughens and shrinks protein and results in excessive moisture loss. Answer 4. Heat. Five, you can make extra marinade to use as long as you keep it separate from the meat. Answer 5. Sauce. I hope that you learned a lot in our lesson for today. Thank you for joining today's class.